What's up, you guys? So in this video we're going to discuss about Shopify. Shopify has been on the brink of collapse. Not many people now are using Shopify. Initially, when Facebook ads became expensive and everybody was failing on dropshipping, everybody was giving up on starting a dropshipping store. Everybody who had a dropshipping store was actually giving up or selling the store until TikTok dropshipping came. TikTok has been the savior for Shopify. Look at the stock for Shopify. The stock of Shopify is actually going down and down. Shopify is not growing as much as it was growing in the period of between 2020 and 2021, because that's when majority of the people were starting dropshipping stores. But then came TikTok dropshipping and it saved Shopify. Everybody now is starting a Shopify store because of TikTok dropshipping. TikTok dropshipping has enabled people to get cheap organic views for a fraction of a penny. If you include, maybe if you're paying user-generated content creators, that's the only time you're going to spend money. But TikTok dropshipping has come as a new wave of a boost for Shopify, because Shopify was actually going down. Not many people were keeping up with their dropshipping stores, and those who were keeping up with their dropshipping stores, they were barely making any money because they were using Facebook ads. And if you are using Facebook ads, you know the CPMs on Facebook are very, very expensive. So if you're going to pay a very, very high CPM on Facebook, then you come to your dropshipping store and it's not actually converting. Then also inclusive of the high shipping prices, and also when we had the pandemic, we had issues of shipping times taking as long as 1 month. The Shopify stores that were available were not performing as people would have expected, because you would have been getting issues of chargebacks whereby customers are asking for refunds. If you are actually not getting refunds, your Shopify dropshipping store is not converting, because the number of sales you're getting from your store compared to what you're spending on Facebook on ad spend, it was not paying back, because you are finding people getting negative ROAS, that is negative return on ad spend. It was not a nice period for you to continue with your Shopify dropshipping journey. Then came TikTok. TikTok has been the alpha male organic traffic driver for majority of the e-commerce businesses, for majority of the Shopify dropshipping businesses. Now you can launch a store on Shopify and start posting videos on TikTok and start going viral. And these viral views are going to generate sales for you, because people are clicking into the link in your bio to go ahead and check out your product. That is how people are making money on TikTok dropshipping, and that has been the sole savior for Shopify, because there are thousands and thousands of stores currently running independently on TikTok using TikTok organic views. That is how TikTok has been able to save Shopify dropshipping, and that is how people have been able to find an opportunity whereby they are running Shopify dropshipping stores absolutely free without spending any ad spend, because you're getting all the traffic from TikTok. Gone are the days when even people could use Google Shopping ads. It's been a while since I last had somebody using Google Shopping ads. Not many people are actually using Google Shopping ads, because TikTok has opened a floodgate of traffic that people are willing to go ahead and capture and get sales without spending any amount on ad spend. This is an important aspect that not many people know, because what you'll see is people would start dropshipping stores, maybe import a product from AliExpress, try a few ad copies using Facebook ads. Then by the time the 14-day free trial expired and they had not made a sale, or even if they had made a sale, it's just a single sale and they were not breaking even, people would close their Shopify stores entirely after the 14-day free trial. But right now, considering how TikTok is doing, you can post a video on TikTok in a day and get 1 million views, so long as the video is good, so long as you're able to captivate and capture the audience. You are able to generate 1 million views immediately, 24 hours. TikTok has that viral concept. It's able to push a video whenever it sees that people are actually interested in watching the video. That's the important aspect of TikTok that not many people have discovered, and that is what is keeping the Shopify ecosystem going. Before TikTok dropshipping, there were a lot of platforms to run your ads. So some people who are actually even selling other products, so products in the health niche, people will go with the native ads. But now many people are actually using TikTok dropshipping because it's a proven way to get sales without spending a dime. It's a proven way to get sales without spending any amount on ads. That is why everybody is going to TikTok, because at this time in point, TikTok is a cash cow in terms of e-commerce businesses. The other reason as to why TikTok dropshipping is saving Shopify is on Shopify, when everybody is starting out a dropshipping store, the first thing they're going to do, they're going to start a general store. So a general store is whereby you have multiple products on one e-commerce store or on one Shopify dropshipping store, whereby ideally, initially, if you are using Facebook ads, you would test out different ad copies for different products until you find a winning product. But now, TikTok, what TikTok does, you can open a general page. A general page means that you're going to just start a page whereby you'll be posting multiple videos of different products in the hope that you're going to get one winning product. Then you can later scale that product and transition that page to that one product. So that really applies to what Shopify is doing. So if you start a general store on Shopify, you can now start a general page on TikTok and test out multiple products until you find a winning product. Once you find a winning product, then you scale to the moon. And it is evident hundreds and hundreds of branded stores started out as general stores, and they started out as general stores whereby they were running a page on TikTok that consisted of all the products they were initially testing. So you'd just keep on posting video after video of product after product in the hope that one video of a certain product is going to go viral. And once you do find that product that people like, a product that you can make videos very easily, and a product that people can actually like, you are going to start pushing that product as much as possible by making more videos towards that product. That is how majority of the people were able to start branded stores on Shopify, by first starting out as a general store with a general page on TikTok and scaling that product after you've found what actually works on TikTok. Now, would Shopify still be there even if we did not have TikTok dropshipping? Absolutely. The e-commerce industry is projected to be here for the next 100 years because people are still buying. And right now is when e-commerce is actually blowing up. And it has actually blown up in the last 2 years when people were actually staying at home, people were actually working from home, people were not able to go outside there and buy things, people were ordering things online. So e-commerce is here for the taking, but TikTok really pushed Shopify dropshipping very highly.